back. I have missed you guys. It is good to be back here. Feels good to be in the seat, ready to go, and seeing all the W's in the chat. So yeah, if we can get some W's in the chat, let's get it going. I'm gonna just set up Zoom here. Good to see you all though, man. It's good to be back at the desk, back to work. Yes sir, yes sir. Give me one moment. Let me just set up, let me just send the Zoom link out. Zoom, forgot. Yeah, what do we do here again? Zoom. All right, perfect. Boom. All right. Let me share my screen, and we are about to get rolling. How y'all feeling, man? W's in the chat. What up, Green? What up, Shiro? Let me just fix my mic. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? How you feeling? Yanosh is in the building. What up, Yanosh? Classic Trader. What up? Hey, Sergio's back, baby. Sergio, let's go. What up, Bradley? What up, Xander? What up, Nathan? Shiro Davin. What up, Lewis? YOLO Trader in the building. What up, FX Viking? Yes, sir. Gotta Trades in the house. What up, Gotta Trade? What up, Jimmy Lambo? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. All right. I think we are just about good to go. Yeah, man. Feels good to be back at the desk, back at home, ready to go, ready to see the charts from my actual computer and not my laptop. What up, AB Mike? What's up, everybody? Welcome, welcome. If you guys just can give the stream a like as you settle on in here today, it's gonna be a good session here. Gonna be a good session. All right, I think we're good. Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join the free Discord. And let me just get it. All right, cool. All right, sweet. We're good. All right, cool. All right, let's see what we got going on, man. It's good to be back again. Good to see you all. It's time to get rolling here. It is what's today? Wednesday, right? Today is Wednesday, right? I think so. Wednesday? Yeah. Today is Wednesday. So we got a Wednesday. We're midway through the week here. Let me just lower the music just a little bit there. I think that's a little bit better. We're midway through the week. It's Wednesday, but it's going to be a great day here, right? It is the 27th of September, so we are creeping on the tail end of this monthly candle here. So we're going to take a look at the monthly. We're going to break it down from the monthly all the way down to the 30-minute, 15-minute time frame, and see what we got going on here today. But let's take a look at the news and see what's good here. So it is, again, Wednesday, the 27th of September. We got a couple orange folders in our way here today, but that's about it. You know, nothing too crazy. Let's see, crude oil inventories is later on at 10:30, so that should be no issues for us today. Let's see here. Hold on one second, guys. All right, perfect. Yeah, so that's about it for us today in terms of the news. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. I already had some stuff going on here. Yeah, let's see, we might have something going on here. Let's do a quick top-down analysis here, starting at the monthly time frame, right? So taking a look at the monthly, remember we have just a couple days left in the month, so we really want to see this monthly candle close. Now, one thing we can say here is that on the monthly time frame, you had this resistance that was formed, and we were basically just kind of trying to get up in this range, right? Trying to move up from here, but every single time we came up here, what did we do? We tend to just kind of reject, right? Rejection, create these resistances and move on down. So that's pretty much what we're expecting price to do right now. If we were looking for sells, right? If we only traded this playbook based off of the monthly time frame, well, if we're going to look to take positions, right, we want to take buys, right? We want to take, right, price is bullish here. We want to take buys coming up. And if we are going to take sells, what are we going to wait for? We're going to wait for some sort of, range 2 before we make that decision. So if you guys take a look at what happened right here, right? So you kind of had this, this closure back home. Let me get this guy. You kind of had this closure back below, right? This candle right here, closure back below. Now, obviously we're not trading off the monthly time frame like purely, but let's just say this is a 30-minute time frame, right? We wouldn't take these sells now, would we? Right? Because we're bullish, right? So if we're going to take sells, we need a range 2. So if you guys notice this right here, what I'm seeing is a range 2, right? Price came down, created resistance. Price moved up, came down, created support, came up, created resistance. And now if this candle can pull back a little, close below this support level right here, now gang, now we're in this territory, right? This territory in which we've been looking to trade in for the last couple months, right? Waiting on these candles to do their thing. So now what we have here is some sort of a range 2 breakout based off this monthly time frame here, right? So if we can close below this range here, right, now we can play in that territory. So our eyes have been on this area, right? This nice clean range here for quite some time. So depending on how this monthly candle closes, all depends on if we can continue down moving in this range here. And I believe there's going to be some clean moves in this range. So that's what we got going on the monthly time frame. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly is pretty bearish as well. Looks like we're creating a resistance here, right? We kind of had a support level that was formed right here as price came down, right? Came back up, created support, created resistance. You got a pretty clean range coming down here, right? Right here on this clean traffic here, but I think it's even cleaner below. So if we can get a closure below that range here, that'll make perfect sense for the weekly to continue down. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily here today just to see where we're at based off the day, right? So one thing we notice is we have a couple supports hanging around here. I think this is going to be the big one that most people just aren't quite paying attention to. This level right here, what is it, 1903? Below there, you notice very clean traffic, right? So candles did close below that level yesterday. You have made a top wick, tapping back into it, and now you have this support down here, which is about 1885, and that's probably going to be the target here for the day. So that's probably about 80. Yeah, that's about an 88, 89 or 90 pip range right there from where price is currently at. Let's go ahead and see what price is doing on the 4-hour time frame. Looks like we're just moving down here. So we're moving down. It looks like we did close below that support. There is a wick to fill. One thing I noticed here though, no top wick. So no top wick on this 4-hour candle yet. I think price was trying to come up. Oh no, never, right? Price has never really attempted to push all the way back up here. So we've been pushing down now, right? 1-hour candle closed with no bottom wick. I believe there's a support. Yeah, let's take a look. Did we close below this level here? Yeah, we barely closed below that support there with very little bottom wick. So let's see how this candle opens up here. It is the opening of the 1-hour candle. We did break the low already, right? We broke the low without making a top wick. If we can come up, make a top wick or so, then we may be looking to have sell stops on the break of these lows here. You do have pretty clean move coming down, right? I can see price coming down, yeah, right into these levels here, right into these support levels here. We have a minor support here where we'd probably look to, do something with our trade, maybe go break even, close partials. That's probably going to be about 30 pips. That's a 30 pip range there. So we have some clean range here to go. Let's see. We closed a very little bottom wick, but we did create a resistance here on the 1-hour and 30-minute time frame. So let's see what happens. Let's see if we can come up, make a steeper top wick, and we may have some opportunities here. Yeah, and as far as buy, or what we could do as well is we'll be looking for fake outs, right? So if price can come back up, come into this area, give us a resistance, and then we could take our sells moving back down from there. I think the only buys I'll be taking today are probably going to be above range 2 buys above 1898 here. Yeah, and if we don't get that, then I'll wait to take my buys above 1902. Right, clean traffic on the 1 hour time frame to continue up. But that's what I am looking at here today on gold. So fake outs anywhere within these ranges here, between 1896 and 1898. And if not, we wait for a top wick here, and we have sell stops on the break of the lows. Cool. That is the day here on gold. Right, we've been trickling down here, pushing down, creating supports, resistances. You got a support here. You got a somewhat of a resistance, right, for a price to continue down. So you got a resistance plus a closure below. The only thing I'm not really liking is the no bottom wick, not very, very little bottom wick here. That's all. So let's keep an eye on that, see if we come up to make a steeper top wick, and then we can potentially have sell stops. What up, options? Got options in the building. What's goody, bro? Yeah, good to see you all. Connor FX, what's good? So yeah, so that's what I'm looking at here on gold. So potential sells below here. Sells below here. And then look for fake outs or either fake outs or range 2 buys, you know, one or the other. So, but I'm just going to put fake outs for sells. Looks a bit cleaner on the 30-minute time frame there. And because another thing, gang, the 4 hour, right? The 4 hour has no top wick yet. So that's the other thing too here, right? If we wait, right? If we can get price to move up like this, if we can get price to close back bullish, right? Come back up and then push up here now to give the 4 hour candle a top wick, right? And get a closure back below, then we could look to take our sells now coming down, right? We could take them from, you know, somewhere up here, 1896 for price to continue down on the day here. So that's one thing I'm waiting on, right? I would love to see a nice little pullback based off this 1 hour time frame here, and then we catch it off the resistance, right? Nice onion play, basically, you know, looks something like this, right? Keep that high as your stop, right? Whatever that high is, and then we run it down to, you know, 1886. Potentially hold positions here today, you know, for a decent amount of time. So that's what I'm looking at here today. If we can continue moving bearish, if we can get a nice pullback, that would be fantastic. If not, we'll look to see what we got going on here. Sweet. No top wick just yet. And no top wick on the 4 hour just yet either. So we'll keep an eye on it. Yo, what up, Lee Carroll? Zoom link. Zoom should be out. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Let me see. Okay. Now it should be out. Sorry, guys. So Zoom link is out. I was wondering where everyone was at. My bad. I'm new to this thing. Thanks, Candle Slanger. What up, Candle Slanger? What up, Yanosh? Great to have you back. Hey, what up, George? Good to have you guys back, man. Good to have you guys back. I missed you guys. It's boring trading alone. But look, I hope the last couple days you know, put some things into perspective for you, right? It gives you the ability to really see where you're at, right? See, you know, where you're really at in the skill set, and, you know, how well you can do on your own. I mean, having the Discord is great, but, you know, you're still on your own at the end of the day, right? And I hope you guys took advantage of that time. I hope you enjoyed that time. If you took wins and you followed the plan, man, congratulations. Like, you're on your way to being a stud trader, right? Or a studette trader. And if you took some losses and made some mistakes, then it's good to see now where you're at, right? Because you got to measure your skill level, right? And make sure, you know, you're following or make sure you're actually progressing as a trader as well. So all right, let's dress these lines up real quick. Great perspective. It was awesome. Yeah, I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, I know it was. I remember when Raja and them used to take time off, and that used to really give me an opportunity to see how well I was progressing. Yeah, so we'll look to take range 2 buys above here. And yeah, 30 minutes going to be our best friend here today. Yeah, so these fake outs that we're talking about here, you know, it could be anywhere, honestly, within this range, right? Pretty much anywhere within this whole entire range here. You have areas here, you have areas here, you have areas here. So we'll just wait, right? We got to wait for the candle confirmations, and then we'll see where we're at. Nice. Good stuff, Red Built. Good stuff, bro. There he is, Sammy Capital. Sammy Capital's in the house. Yeah, gang, for those of you guys who have left me messages and on all platforms, I'm going to get back to all those messages here today, and then by the end of tomorrow, because there's probably like 200 messages, so I got to get to them all. But yeah, I got y'all. How was New York? New York was really good. It was really good, man. I got my... So in New York, you have like seasons, right? So you got winter, right? You got spring, you got summer, and then you got fall. And I've always liked fall, right? So I got my, you know, we got our like 6 days of fall, and that's it. That's all we need. Now we're back to the sunshine state, right? Fall is cool for about 6 days, and then it just starts to suck, right? And then you go into winter and the snow and the cold and the wind, and yeah, man. So check, right? Check. So we got our couple days of fall, and that was it. We were out of there. I noticed my discipline for closures is weak. Yeah, there you go. So you got to work on that, right? You got to work on it. That's probably one area in which you can work on that. You know, take your skill set levels above, right? Start to really level up when you work on some of those things, because usually it's only 2 or 3 things that are really holding us back from being profitable traders, right? Whether it's, you know, you can't wait for candles to close, right? That also has to do with patience. That also links to discipline, right? Or whether it's, you know, watching a move, you can't watch a move go. You just got to, you know, kind of FOMO into trades. Like, it's only 2 or 3 things that are really standing in the way of life-changing income for you and your family. So you got to identify those. The quicker you can be honest with yourself and identify what those 2 or 3, you know, what 2 or 3 areas you need that work in, and then you bring it to a mentor, or, you know, just bring it to yourself, right? I mean, you know, just identifying what the issues are is the start of everything, right? So identify what it is and just know, hey, these are things I have to work on. If I could work on these, I could be a profitable trader. And if I could be a profitable trader, then I can do X, Y, Z, right? I could do, you fill in the blank. GJ printing barcodes. Oh, you know what time it is. Yeah, GJ, I'm looking for fake outs here. I was waiting on this resistance, but I don't know. Closing no bottom wick, and yeah, it's not. I'm probably just gonna wait here on pound yen for like 8 a.m. Yeah, but I was looking for this fake out here. So, all right, lot of rejections to 181 260 here. So. But daily is pretty bearish, right? Daily is pretty bearish here today. So let's see what the 4-hour wants to do. All right, I think the 4-hour needs that nice pullback that we're seeing here. I like trading low, and I was able to put everything I know. Yeah, there you go. Yep, that's gonna. Yeah, it was fun too, trading alone for a couple days. um, it puts you back into that, you know, puts me back into that time like before the stream and everything. It's like, wow. It's pretty boring though, not gonna lie. It's pretty boring. Yeah, that's cool though, right? Because now you get an opportunity to rely on, or now you get an opportunity to pull what you've learned and apply it right into the markets. And that's the coolest thing ever. Like, you know, when I spent a lot of time with my mentor, right? And then, you know, there would be times where I would go without him, right? And it would be really, really cool to see, you know, how I could perform, you know, without him, and what I've learned, take what I've learned. And then, because we would meet like every week. Like, I mean, we would see each other a couple times a week, but we would game plan, right? Pretty heavy, like at least once a month, a full monthly game plan. And then it started to go like once every, you know, 4 months or so. And, you know, it was an opportunity for me to really, you know, use what I've been learning, right? And not, you know, have to kind of go back so often, but be able to rely on, you know, the things that you know, that were instilled in me. So yeah, hopefully the last couple of days you guys got that opportunity. Oh, nice. 1.4 on, oh, cool. Beautiful. Hey, yo. What up, meme posty? FOMO gotcha. Oh. Yo, what up, Zoomers? What up, Joseph? What up, everyone in Zoom? How y'all doing? Good to see you guys again. Good to be back. Why don't we take this out? I was waiting for we came down like initially, and then we kind of came up. I was looking for a little bit of a steeper top wick here. Yeah, nice close. It did close below though. Yeah. Back to selling candles. Yeah, GJ. Yeah, GJ. I am looking for sells here on pound yen. Definitely. Yeah, I want to see the 4 hour start to. It looks good, right? 4 hour came up, right? We've pushed down. We've come up. We've tapped back into this range here, right? These areas here. Looks like we got a fake out on the 30-minute time frame, which is what I was looking for. And now we may continue down here. So it's 718. We'll see how we start looking towards NY Open here. Yeah, GJ Onion, yup, and gold kind of breakout. Yeah, right as we were kind of doing the breakdown here. But I was still going to wait for a steeper top wick than this. Because stops were... Entry would have been on the break of the lows there. Stops are like 33 pips. So yeah, I wanted to see something better. Do we take into account the 4 hour close? What? Yeah, the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours got very little top wick on it. And the 4 hour candles have been driving here. Just driving. You got this one bullish candle, right? Price broke the high, rebroke the low, and then it was gone. Goner. How was New York? It was doing great. It was great. It was a couple days of fall. Did you ever take a trade before New York open? Yeah. Yeah, my last trade was before. My last trade was pre-New York. Yeah, it was a GJ sell on when was that? That was Wednesday or Thursday? I think it was Thursday. No, Wednesday. Using 40 lots? Yeah, I'm using 40 lots here on gold. I may go to 30 lots on gold and start to hold positions till target, till like way deeper targets, and hold stops, right? The 30 lots will allow me to hold stops a little bit longer. So I may go 40 lots on GJ and 30 lots on gold here pretty soon. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing about gold sometimes, right? 4 hour bearish candles, too many of them. Sells seem risky. Like, gold will just run, man. That's why I laugh sometimes if people be like, yo, gold's oversold, like gold's overbought. Like, yo, you guys, gold will run, right? On certain days, certain occasions. I'm telling you, gold plays no games. What up, Green? How you feeling today? Professor X is in the building. The Professor. You guys ever seen that show, The Money Heist? The Professor. Smart dude. Yeah, we're going to look at the NASDAQ as well here. Let me just take a look. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ, see what we got going on with this. Monthly candles coming to a close here too, right? So beautiful monthly onion here, right? Monthly wick fill, price did its job. Just beautiful, beautiful price action. So price needs a pullback here on the monthly, right? So finally, right? Since January, we have moved up, and now we're finally starting to get some sort of retracement here, right? Now, where can we go? Well, we can go here, we can go here. We can come all the way down in this zone, right? It really just depends. So we have broken the lows here. The monthly is closing up in 2 days. So let's see how that candle closes. If we close with no bottom wick, you may create support right here, right, for price to continue up. But we'll have to see how that candle closes here in 2 days. So let's see what we got going on the weekly. Weekly candle did close right at support last week. And it looks like this candle is struggling. Right, we're 3 days into the week. It really hasn't moved down much. It really hasn't moved up too much. It's just kind of sitting there, right? And we know we have this strong support right here as well on the NASDAQ. So we've tapped into it again, right? We tapped into it here. Now we've tapped into it again here. Let's see what happens. We may end up closing bullish back above here, giving it a fake out and allowing the monthly candle to pull back for, you know, maybe the next day or two. So that's what we got going on the weekly. We can see what's happening here on the daily though. Daily is now starting to, you know, it closed bearish below the range here, but it may, you know, we may get that closure above depending on how the weekly candle's looking. But overall, we are pretty bearish, right? So we are pretty bearish. We've got clean range coming down into these ranges here. This is going to be about 30 pip move or so. So that's going to be the target here today, right? Targets are going to be right around this 142. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours pushing up. Yeah, if you can get a resistance here on the 4 hour time frame, candle to close bearish, then I think what we could see is the next candle to be able to drive down like this, right? Next 4 hour candle, closure below the zone, and then, you know, that may start to trickle things down here for the day. So let's see how this 4 hour candle closes. Market opens around 9:30 here for the NASDAQ, so we'll sit tight, wait on that, and see what we got going on there. So that's what I'll be looking for on the NASDAQ, right? Just as of right now, just a 4 hour closure, right? 4 hour closure so that we can anticipate this candle moving bearish, breaking the lows, and filling that wick. Yep. That's it. Wait on the 4 hour. Am I in a position? No. Yeah, Professor X. Money heist. Yeah, we would have been maybe, probably would have seen like maybe 6 pips in profit up until this point. Yeah, I think we need a better wick here. Oh, when is the Elite Pro? So we're getting everything started next week. So everyone's going to get up and rolling next week. And yeah, it's going to be a fun next couple weeks, man. Jerome Powell in the building. What up, Jerome? How come you haven't answered any of my emails, sir? I am using the Funded Trader. Sir. How badass to enter the Fed and start printing. Yeah. Sounds familiar. Did you guys do anything during London session last night? Let's check the London session. Yeah, if you're not in our free Discord, you guys can join the free Discord. Look at all these messages. I'll get back to everybody's messages here today. So, yeah, I don't see much. Just close some small positions, I think. Nice. What about Asian session last night? Motion or what? Motion. Oh. 15 celery. Yeah, I didn't see Asian, or my flight got delayed yesterday, so I was flying during Asian. What up, Forex Frank? The trip was great, man. It was good. Couple days of fall and in and out. In and out. Kids had fun. Got to see some family, eat some good food, and kind of get a little taste of the fall, and then back home. New York was not the greatest weather, so it was good, you know? I mean, I'm used to good weather, right? So I want to go down there, get a nice Couple dreary, rainy days. Some New York cold. And go. GJ. Oh yeah, it was a good getaway. Yep. Yeah. Any more interviews coming out? Yeah, there's another podcast I did with the Forex Beginner podcast. I believe that's dropping on Tuesday. So less than a week from today. Congrats on the new baby. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks. What up, Andreas? What's your mind about 10 pips daily? I think that's good, man. If you can catch 10 pips a day with a decent account, yeah, you're good. Yeah, for quite some time, 10 pips was $1,000 for me, right? 1,000 USD. So that was that's been good money. Now we're pumping it up, right? Now we're like, 10 pips is gonna be like 3 or 4K, right? Pretty soon. So yeah, I truly believe in 10 pips a day. Now I like to see trades run as well. So that's another thing. You can get more than 10 pips a day, but I love a nice 10 pip day. There he is, 10 pips daily. You Gucci? I'm Gucci, Louis, all of it. Gucci, Louis, all of them. Hope you're doing good off the face. Buenos dias. What's going on? FX Beginner podcast dropping on Tuesday. Yep. How to watch it? It's going to be on his YouTube channel. Yeah, he releases them, I believe, every Tuesday. So the one he just released now was with FX Alex G. Some of you guys know him. Yeah, he's a young stud down in Miami. Oh, nice. You upgraded the desk setup today. Dope. Awesome. What are you getting? What you getting? What up, TK? What up, TK? Happy Wednesday. What up, Rapid Max? Hey, missed you too, man. Missed all y'all. Where you been, Nick? I was in New York for a couple days. Yeah, 10 pips is solid, man. Trust me. Like, I used to be an intraday trader, right? And one thing I think I've heard Raja say this too, but my trades, man, they would like almost instantly go like 15, 20 pips, sometimes 30 pips in profit, and then start to pull back. And I would go back to break even, back in drawdown, holding stops. And I thought, man, I could have just literally secured that 15 pips and had a good rest tonight. Instead, I'm over here worried about my trade, this and that, right? It was just like I could have closed that, right? So that's where I started honing in on, this playbook and this strategy and grabbing like 20 pips, right? 10, 15, 20 pips. And then just letting runners, right? The idea here is like we're scalping, right? But we're trying to let our runners go for intraday trades, right? So, yeah. I keep being profitable at weeks at a time, then one trade just lose everything. Wow, yeah, that's what are you doing? Are you betting? It sounds like you're betting the house. It sounds like you may be getting a little too overconfident and then you bet the house and then one trade wipes you out. So you never want to let one trade hold you hostage, right? If you have to lower your lot size, gang, there's nothing wrong with that, right? Right? Nothing wrong. Like, don't let things hold you back, right? Just if you need to lower your lot size to continue to remain profitable, right? Like if you're profitable at weeks at a time, then if you've got a couple weeks stacked up of profit, maybe don't risk as much, right? Maybe just say, hey, I'm only going to risk X amount of this profit here for the week and try and stick with that. But when you start risking the whole thing, one bad trade, if you have everything on the line, it wipes out all the profits, and that's never fun. All right, no, never fun. Oh yeah, so we got a closure here. I'm gonna wait for NY open, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for NY open here. Yeah, if we would have had a steeper top wick on the 1 hour candle here, I would have said let's enter at 7 a.m. But price drove down right to about where it is now and then came up to make like a 1 pip top wick. So yeah. What made you think about the change in holding and closing? Just because our moves, like, they play out, right? So we know where price is going almost every day. And a lot of times we'll have runners, right? Like we'll have, if we look back, right, we'll have pretty decent runners, right? Closed at 10, got 35. Closed at 12, got 20. Closed at 10, got 20. Closed at 15, got 36. Right? Not every trade is going to do that, but when there's clean traffic and there's volume, then it's best to take advantage of that, right? So look, closed at 13, ran for 58. So it's not every trade, right? Still got to be there, right? It's got to make sense, right? The market's got to tell us, yeah, it's okay to hold. And if it does, we'll just hold that, right? Just hold on to it. But nothing changes, right? Still just do whatever the market tells you to do. Yeah, look, like 13 got 40, 12 got 17. Like I like to look at the data, right? I want to see what the data says. And I mean in June too, right? Like closed at 12, got 28, 17 got 48 on the second closure. Right? This one we held for 32. This one we closed partials at 12, ran for 35, right? This one 10-10, 12-50, right? 25-40. So it really just all depends on what the market is sharing with us. We still have to go based off of that. But if there is volume, then we can, hold positions. Can I get the trading journal? Yeah. Yeah, I believe Q4 leaving runners will be beneficial as well, right? Last year, we seen runners in Q4 run. Like, we seen Q4 do something that we really, I haven't seen, and, some of my friends as well, right? Like, usually people are toning it down in Q4, chilling out, but not last year, right? Not last year. Last year it ripped. So 1,000 pips. Yeah, last year was awesome. Gold going downtown. Yeah, look at this 4 hour, man. 4 hour time frame ripping down here. Oh, we got a couple guests here. We got the boy. Oi! Oi! Oi!
Oi! What's the word?
What up, Sammy
What's up,
Capital?
What's going on, Nick? What's going on, Zoom? What's going on, chat? Yo, it
Sam
feels
the
great
Bull.
to be back.
Right? Feels good.
Yo, when you said that in the Discord the other day, I was wondering if you meant me.
What?
Sammy the Bull.
Oh, yeah, I did.
I thought that
Sammy
was
the
someone
Bull.
else. I thought someone's like Discord name was that.
Oh, no. Oi. Oi.
Yes,
What's
sir.
good?
I hope you guys are ready to go on a tear. What's good? Everything, bro.
Yeah,
Everything's
man.
good.
Yeah, we got nice daily closures here. GJ
yeah,
looking
look
good to
at that.
continue down. Yeah, this 4 hour close on the bearish closure like we talked about earlier is going to be nice.
That would be money.
Yeah.
Oi, look at that
Oi.
chat. Y'all are amazing.
Chat, oi. We got ois in the chat.
This clip.
We got always in the chat. Yeah, gold. I think we need to wait for NY Open here. If the 1 hour candle had a steeper top wick to begin with, then there may have been something there for me, but really no volume just yet in this candle anyway. Yeah, I think it opened up and pushed about like 5 pips. So we would have only seen maybe 6 pips there, 7 pips, and break even, yeah. Yeah, because if this candle now closes bullish, right, back above the range here, well, then, you know, price is going to want to do some sort of a retracement now, right? Do some sort of retracement, maybe back up into this range here, and then create a resistance to come back down. Right, and that'll just be a nice healthy pullback on the daily candle for price to continue moving down.
Yes, sir.
Always in the chat. Oi, matey.
Oi. Yeah. We got movement.
Yeah, we got motion.
We
Yeah.
making moves. Yeah, we making moves.
Yeah, how'd you do this week? Felt good to chit chat, trade alone a little bit, hang out, you know, just chill.
Yo, yeah, it was good, and then back testing, like not back testing, with the sample sizing of the news trades that I've been taking. So like ever since we like discussed it, I haven't taken a loss. But yo, yesterday with consumer price index, I had the craziest thing ever happen to me, where like I market execute, right? I don't do buy stop, sell stop. So we'll talk about why and that. But yo, so like I hit the button to buy or whatever in the top left, and it starts pending, right? So randomly, like 30-40 seconds later, it throws me into the trade. I was like, whoa, and then it went up, and then it was like 10-12 pips. I went to hit the X to close, bro, and it would not close. It literally would not close. I was like, what's going on, bro? It's crazy. I'll have to send you a video, bro.
Sheesh. Market execute. What broker was that?
Hanko. No, that is not sus at all. I'm not sus of them. Hanko Trade, best brokerage ever, I'll say. I love my spreads. I love my everything. I just wonder. Yeah, see, homies are saying it's a scam. That's the first and only time that's happened to me in over 3 years, guys.
Yeah.
So you can't say it's sus. Hey, I won. It gave me an extra. Oh, so yeah. So when it eventually closed it out, it was at 25 pips. So hey, W.
Nice. Nice.
Double for me.
Yeah. And that was after the release?
Right at it.
Nice.
That's what I'm talking about, taking in trades right at it. So I was expecting, so last month they had 106. It was 106. They're expecting it to be 105, so it was down from last month, which had been bad for the US dollar. So I was expecting a nice move up, and it came out 103.
Dope. Hanging on. Yeah, those are moves that we can anticipate based off of like the fundamental analysis on where price will go eventually, right? You may be in a trade that's more like, in a way, like an intraday. We get a good position and then we just wait for our expected news outcome, and then you got to trade, but it's not like an in and out trade like a buy stop or buy stop sell stop, right? It's more so, hey, let's market execute here, let's let a couple candles close up, and we're expecting price to ultimately drive in that direction.
Right. Yeah, and so the reason why I market execute is because I don't want to get slipped, and I get my entry right where I want it. So I market execute before the news comes out, and then I have my entry right where I'm at. Yeah. And since I'm not doing buy stops and sell stops, I'm picking a direction with the news. And if it plays out, it plays out. Just like a normal trade setup, really. Is how I've been looking at it. But it was decent. If you go to the 30-minute, it made a support right before it. So, like, it was still a decent. It wasn't just like I fired off a buy with nothing.
Which one was it? Yesterday?
It was 10 a.m. Yeah, 10 a.m. yesterday. That's the 1 hour, though. Go to the 30-minute. Yeah, 9:30, and then boom, that 10 a.m. candle opened up and drove up some.
Okay.
It was just a,
Gotcha.
It wasn't nothing crazy at all. But that was just all I wanted to do was pull back, I guess.
Nice little pullback and dipped. Yeah, 4 hour. There's been nothing stopping the 4 hour time frame here. Just nothing. Just blew past that support and just continuing down right through all this.
Yeah. And so like another thing was like I was just in and out of that because it's consumer price index or not consumer price index. It's a what was it yesterday? I can't think of what it was. Consumer confidence report. Yeah. So like it's not gonna be like NFP or like CPI where you're gonna see some crazy move. It's just market's gonna price it in real quick, and then eventually just price action takes back over.
Yep. Yeah, because gang, pretty much every day we know exactly where price is going, right? Like we can basically anticipate it to the decimal at this point, right? On gold. But sometimes you don't have the greatest entries, right? Or, the greatest opportunities for entries. So, these are things that if we can, especially on days where there's news and price is going to be forced in a direction, those are times where we could use that analysis, right? To, sample size these positions and see if we could take advantage of that.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, David Quignon, yes. You might have been the one that made me think. I was like, well, see, I used to before, but then I just kind of stopped, right? Obviously because I don't know. I actually don't know. But I'm not going like,
been 84 years. Has it?
Feels like it.
Hey, what up, Shad? She got Shad in the house.
Shad in the building.
What up, brother?
Just I don't think we have anything for news today.
We have some orange folders. That's about it. Some core durable goods.
I would watch to see if. Well, it'll be like a breaking news thing, but Kashkari is gonna speak. So we might get some more. If he comes out and starts speaking hawkish, it's gonna start bleed. Says he's supposed to be on live TV, CNBC.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That boy gonna be live today. He better not fumble.
I seen a video. It was like pal, and there's like a AI voice thing, and it was like, called up my boy Kashkari. These poors complaining over $10 egg prices. my G-Wagon, on the other hand, has doubled in price. They're complaining about egg prices.
This mansion, this G-Wagon, can't even get half of what I paid for it.
Yeah, pal be yapping.
Pal be yapping. Give me 1 second. I'm just grab some water.
Henry, my boy from Spain. ¿Cómo estás, mi amigo? What up, Sarans? Muy bien, yeah. Nice, bro. Who we got in the building today, Chad? Let's see. I want to see some names. Who we got here today? Who's back with us on this beautiful Wednesday morning? Ready to kick it off. We got New York Open in about 8 minutes. W. Et le temps. Oi. We got Purpose, Big Folk Red, Louis G, Rob Trades, Double A. Oh wow, y'all are going crazy now. Options. DL Fowler. The myth, the man, the myth, the legend. Lee Carroll. Big Sean.
Ghost of me's here.
Ghost me.
Ghost of me in the building. What up, Ghost of me? Hey, Jules in the building. Where's John? I think John is on the way. Oh, sorry if that was too loud. John's coming. I was just texting him a little while ago. I am a ghost of me. Just wait on John. Hey, Ray
Ray
Capital's in the
Capital.
house. Okay.
Yes,
Sam
sir.
Capital, Ray Capital. We got all the capital. Beer at this time, Nick. Cheers, mate. Terrible.
Cheers.
What up, Spence? It's going down. What is in my drink? This is a excess. This is a wild berry. Yeah.
Don't worry about what's in my cup.
The best.
It's in your cup. Drink it.
Hey, Mr.
Yo, what else
Volatility.
I do. Yo, so listen to this. So back in May, I planted cucumbers, tomatoes, and jalapenos, and today I'm gonna go pick them for the first time because it's starting to get cold, bro. I learned a lot this time, bro. Next year I'm gonna go crazy, bro. The whole backyard gonna look like a farm.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, we may have a celery play here. 30-minute celery play, 1 hour official breakout, I would say. Yeah, stops wouldn't be too bad either. Kind of grab the pack there a little bit. W's for the garden.
It looks good. W's for the garden. Yeah. See, I don't know. I just wanted to. I don't know. Take a. What do you call it? Something to depend on me, bro, for its life. So I feel like that was a good thing. I mean, I have 2 dogs, but. And then I'm now self-sufficient. I could be.
Yes, sir. This ain't looking too bad. So if we do close like this, I will probably be looking at a having a sell stop on the break of these lows here, right around 1892, 523. So we got a 30-minute celery play, bearish day here for price to continue down. That'll be re-breaking the daily lows. That'll also be re-breaking the 4-hour lows, 1-hour lows, and previous 30. So yeah, that'll be nice. Yeah, you could probably get a better entry off the 1 hour, but I like the break of the lows here. Am I gonna wait for 8:15? In this case, I'm gonna wait for a top wick, right? So I want to see this make sense on the 1 hour too, right? So if we can get a top wick here and then break these lows, right? That'll also be a 30-minute celery play, which is our favorite position. 92% win rate with this setup right here. So that'll be good confirmation for price to continue down. 15-minute looks like it'll close below support. So yeah, it looks pretty good.
Like it.
Sammy got the guard.
Just have some kids, Sam. Yeah, well, you see, there's a lot that goes into that. It's easier to just like put some seeds in the ground and take care of those for now.
Now, if we close with no bottom wick, this becomes a totally different story. Hey, what up, Tom? Nice, bro. Dope.
What up, Bradley?
Bradley. All right, yeah. If we can make a nice steep top wick, then we may have celery play here on the 30. But if not, then we need to wait for 815 here. But if price action makes sense here and we do get that top wick, these are times where you're gonna count on as price breaks the lows, volume now to drive you down, right? So let's see what happens here. So we did leave a wick. Let's see how the 1 hour starts to push up here. Excess Amway, yeah, yep. Oh yeah, look, GJ closed very nicely too here. Yeah, very nice close on pound yen. Eight pip wick fill, and then I believe we got about a 15 pip range. So, and then you can continue down, right? Price can continue us down. 4 hour looks like it wants to close bearish here, so. Break of current low? No, break of previous low. But I want to see if we can come up a little bit here. May not do it. May not do it, chat. If we break that low, you'll most likely see a push. Let's see. Can we re-break the high? Yeah, 15-minute, somewhat of a fake out here too. All right, there goes the low. News in 30, yeah, news in 30. GJ's good, but man, 9 pip wick fill. You run into support. It's not too bad though. Like stops are only 9 or 10 pips. All right, previous candle stops. Yeah, gold's gonna run here. Gold's bleeding. Gold's been bleeding, man. Gold's been ripping. I'm in boys. Whoa, buys. Oh, buys on GJ. Nice. Oh, sells. Oh, sells. I'm in, boys, on GJ. Gotcha. I see. Did you enter on the flip? Flip of the candle? What about the news at 8:30? The news shouldn't be too crazy at 8:30. It's not a red folder, but yeah, it may have some impact on price. Nice flip, awesome.
Yeah. Exactly what you said.
Yep. Good morning, Pablo. What up, Pablo? Yeah, gold's clean here. 8 a.m. Celery play. Pretty decent. I think it got about 8 pips, 7 pips. Should make your way down. Let's see if it pulls back for us off the 15, then we can get entries here. On the breakout? No. Nope. Gold suddenly paused. Pause. Where's Jerome? Yeah, you should make your way down to 1890 here. All right, you got a support level here that price is probably making its way down to, and then 1885 is going to be next destination after that. See if gold wants to give a pullback. All right, we've had a couple little pullbacks here in this zone, and now we're starting to run.
Yeah, ID.
Nice. Yeah, I got about 10 pips there so far. Yeah, since 27. Yeah, 4 hours just been coming down. No pullbacks. You had a nice little pack runner right here. I think that grabbed a lot of liquidity and then running back down now. How's the Penti always so clean there, Sam? Always so clean.
I got maids.
You got maids. They come every day?
Butlers. Yeah, absolutely. They came with the Penti.
Yo, I want to see this thing spotless every day. Every day.
That's what I said.
Hola, welcome back. Hey, thank you, MG Bad. MG Bad. GJ trying to run here. Trying to run. I think pound yen 815 may be the play as we get a resistance formed here. Yeah, this was a clean move off the 15 here. Welcome back. Congratulations on the new little one. Oh, thank you. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that.
Yeah, W.
W, we got motion. We got motion. Yeah, let's take a look at 815 here for pound yen and gold. So this is what I mean by, you know, like you don't want to get too caught up in the times, right? You want to keep the times in mind, of course, right? But you also want to keep the setups in mind, right? The price action, the pattern that these candlesticks are creating. You had a celery play here, right? Break of the lows. So these are things that'll work out during volume times regardless. Now you should make your way down to 90 here. Let's see if the 15-minute candle will pull back, and if it does, then we may be able to get in sells here. If not, I think pound yen's looking good too. So GJ is not bad. That brother starving. Make sure the sun sets. Yeah, I was in the plane yesterday when I was on the plane when the sun was setting. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful.
Yeah, that sounds crazy.
It's baby dubs. It's baby dubs. Lowercase W's. All right, 15-minute candle closure coming up in 3 minutes. No FOMO? No FOMO. What's gold doing? FOMO? No, not too bad. Oi. Yeah, not too bad. Both pairs actually look pretty decent here on the 15-minute time frame. Well, only if GJ closes bearish, right? If it closes bullish, then you may want to pull up a little bit more to do something like this, or like come up and then come down. Gold though, let's see how gold closes here on the 15. Give me one moment.
Green, yes sir. Green, I think I figured out why your name is Green, bro.
You already know. That shouldn't be a surprise. That boy gets
What?
to it. Let me invite the man, the myth, the legend. He has arrived.
Oh. Drum roll.
Brrr. Johnny boy.
Good morning, boys. What's up?
How we
Good
feeling?
morning.
Good morning, Sam. Good morning, Nick. Feeling wonderful. How are you guys feeling?
Oh, great. Wonderful.
Good.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
Hear that. Beautiful.
Yes, sir. It's good to be
Good
back.
morning, Zoom. Good morning, chat. Yeah, it is very good to be back. Happy Wednesday, y'all.
GJ not bad here.
Back.
GJ may have an onion play here. Coming down to continue. Got 8:15 coming. 8:30 coming. Looks like this 30-minute wants to continue running. 1 hour looks clean to run down. 4 hour looks like it wants to close bearish here. Yeah, it's not bad. See if we get a top wick on the 15. Looks like we're going to close bearish here. Let's see how gold closed. Ooh, gold. Pullback time for gold, I believe. GJ's not bad here. We got a low now. Let's see, can we come up one more time? Yeah, I might have sell stops here, chat. Let's see if we can come up again here. Looks like we want to pump up. If we could re-break the highs, I'm going to have sell stops here on the break of those lows. Yeah, stops are going to be above the current or the previous highs there. Yeah, that'll do it. I'm going to have sell stops there on pound yen on the break of the lows there. We got a 15-minute onion. 30 looks like it wants to continue driving. So we'll see. Oh, why did that? Hold on a sec. Why did that? Hold on. MT5 looking sus. No, I'm trying to figure out what trying to figure out why this EA is not connected.
Someone said you might have to load the template for the EA.
It should already be good. Should already be loaded. We've already tested it.
Oh, you gotta put that webhook in, whatever it is again.
Yeah,
I don't know what that is,
the
but that's what it
Discord
says.
webhook.
I don't know. I have no idea what that is though. Just seen it was blank on the box.
All right. That may work. Let me hold on one sec. Let me redo this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it on the break of the 30 lows, not the 15. Okay, perfect. That should be good. No, it's not a copy trader. It's it sends the signals in the signal room now. Oh, what's this?
You gonna hold till full TP?
For pound yen?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at looking towards like this support level down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1980, 1981, somewhere around these levels. Yeah. Why sells? We have a 30-minute, so we got a 15-minute onion here, right? That we created resistance on the 15-minute time frame. 30-minute looks like it's ready to move bearish here if we break that low, which is our entry. So 30-minute break the low. 1 hour looks clean, excuse me, to continue down. 4 hour looks like it wants to close bearish as well, right? I don't think we come down here and then come back up and close bullish. So that's kind of the ideas here. If it gets a little too late, we may delete and wait for the 30-minute to actually close. Let's take a look at gold. Gold tapping into that first target there very nicely. Yeah, 30-minute. Clean on the 30. Yeah, GJ, pound yen, let's we're gonna delete pound yen and we're gonna wait for the 30-minute closure here. You may get a 30-minute celery play, which will be even better for us. Let's see, I think 15 is going to break the low here. Where do I backtest the playbook? Usually in a simulation or just sample size, right? My backtesting has been a lot of just live action, right? Just watching the candles live. I deleted my sell stop. I'm gonna wait for 8:30 here. Yeah, if we can close like weak bullish, kind of like, or weak bearish like gold did here on the 30-minute like this, then I think that'll be a good play for us. But yeah, gold wasn't bad, about 23 pips there. So tapped right into our target, right? Our first target. Let's see where it wants to go from here. What up, Sandman? Sandman's in the building.
Sandman, it's good.
Sandman.
Oh, where'd John go? There he goes.
He's gone.
What up, Johnny boy? How's the weather today? Feeling a little better or what?
You're definitely better from when you were here. Yeah, I haven't been outside yet, but it's like 50s, it's saying. So, sure, it's still a little cold and sunny.
Man, once I touch down, immediate weather shift.
Once you touch down, dude start sweating bullets.
Immediate weather switch.
Nah, bro. Nah, but of course, you know, the next day or later after you took off, it started getting like, stopped raining and it was nice. Yeah.
Nice. Very nice. Yeah, it was a good break though. It was a good break. And to be honest, Florida's cooling off now, so
Need to change it up, bro. You know, every now and then, change up the environment, get a different taste.
Yeah. Oh, look, there go the 30-minute highs there. 15 highs are broken. Let's take a look at gold. Gold closing no bottom wick here on the 15. So after tapping into this 1890. So yeah, that was a pretty nice play there on the 30. Pretty nice play. Let's see. I'm gonna throw a test signal in the Discord. It's just a test. All right, that worked. All right, that's good. Full margin on BTC. These are all test orders, all right? All right, should be good. GJ looking sus. GJ about to pull up. GJ's gonna pull up, climb back into this zone up here, and see if it can finally close above. 4 hours really working here. What are your honest reviews on the funded trader? So far, they're horrible on GJ. Straight up, like their spreads on GJ and slippage is absolutely ridiculous. I'm not a fan of it at all. What else? There's a few things that, you know, are going on right now too that I'm not such a big fan of, but hopefully that they're doing that to transition at a deal. And they come to, I'm not too sure if they came to an agreement or with a contract with Wise yet, but it seems to be that that's what they're working out in terms of payouts. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with that, but I will give you guys my full opinion and review in about a month and a half.
Yeah, let's see what happens.
Yeah, crypto and Wise, I think they're trying to get with.
My frozen fund was better. Trolling.
Yeah.
I believe TFT relocating, right? Their like business.
Oh, I'm not too sure.
It should be.
Yeah. So this weekend I was thinking pretty hard about whether or not I want to load up an account with Dominion Markets potentially, and just start trading that. So my ear is to the funded trader to see what they're gonna do and how everything's gonna look moving forward. But man, GJ is terrible, bro. Terrible with the entries, man.
Yeah, 2 pips, bro. I mean, that's a 5th year trade. Cause
Yeah.
most of the time, GJ, you get your 10 and it might pull back and hit your break even, or.
Yep. All right, I'm going to send you guys one more test signal here, but 8:30 is upon us. This is literally a test. Just a test.
Testing.
Testing, testing. All right, did you guys get that? I think you guys should be good, right?
Kashkari bringing the heat right now. Quote, doesn't know if Fed policy is restrictive enough. Quote, or end quote. Now quote, start quote. Consumer spending has stayed robust. So those are both good things for US dollar.
Doop, 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 doop. Cool. Yeah. What's your favorite broker with the best spreads? What would you say?
You know mine.
Favorite broker, best spreads.
Do you want to know what my spread is on gold?
What is it?
You'll cry. I'm not gonna lie. It's less than 1 pip.
Oh.
It's less than 0.5 pips.
Hmm.
I'll send you a picture. Or I'll send you a video.
Hero FX spreads are ridiculously low. Icy Markets, Dominion Markets, Blueberry, Hanko. Lowest latency. You guys heard of Offspree? I think Offspree was the name of it.
Osprey, yeah, I've heard of them.
KOT? Yeah, KOT has probably been my favorite broker. I traded with them for the majority of my career.
Check out the video I just sent you. Those are my spreads right now.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Might be time. Withdrawals are what, crypto?
Yeah, that's what I do.
Okay.
Yeah, depending on how the situation goes with TFT, I'll know more if I'm gonna fund my own capital or not.
Yeah, because I've been trading funded for over a year. So I've just been strictly doing that. I was using KOT Forex though, or KOT FX for prior to that.
Yeah, that's what I used for a while as well. And then I tried out MT5 or whatever when Raja put it out, and he was saying about how it was like lightning fast, better execution speeds. The charts look like TradingView. So I was like, nah, I gotta get off this MT form, bro.
Yeah, that's the only thing they need to upgrade, man.
Yeah.
We need that MT5.
Yeah, MT4 is but
Can't go back to MT4. I can't do it.
It's like going back to like the PS4 after the PS5 came out.
I can't do it.
Nah, but of course I would rather trade funded accounts, but if there's gonna be sketchy things happening, I don't want to always be sus about it. So see what happens.
Yeah, let's see. There goes the honest review of the funded trader. Is that where this started?
yeah.
No one's gonna know, like, you know, what
MT6.
happens. But...
Yeah, how many of you guys have a payout ready to go with the funded trader? Who here has a payout that is to about to be processed? About to only deposits, gang. Yeah, I seen recently that their payouts are okay, cool. I just got my payout through Wise. Sweet.
Wait, Alexander, you're with TFT?
Yeah. The funded trader, I believe.
Because I mean, Angelo seems cool. Like he's on Twitter and he's tweeting back to like everyone who's, you know, tweeting him. So he's updating everyone too. So
yeah, we need to update
that's
the
good.
slippage on GJ.
Tweet him.
Yeah.
Yeah, when deal went down, I mean, that's understandable, right? I guess they need time to figure all that out. So I get that. As long as payouts are continuing, then that's all I really care about. And the slippage on GJ.
Yeah, Angelo does put his face out there a lot, so that's true.
Yeah, Wise can't do them all. Yep. I gotcha. Yeah, it seems like they're catching up. I mean, I've been following them on Twitter, so it seems like they're catching up on payouts. Deal said bye. Alicia said no more. I won't email you no more. We'll see. I'm open to putting I'm open to going either direction. Yeah, can we get our pullback here on gold? John Cena. Johnny Gems, aka John Cena.
Can't see him, bro. Dude's too quick with it. Bespoke blocked all Pakistan's traders because they were spamming their Trustpilot with negative reviews. Dang. That's crazy. Well, why were they doing it?
Yeah, 11th hour, that's good, bro. Yeah, checks. Hey, W right there, right? That was a W in disguise. Now you have that lesson with you for the rest of your career. So you learn not to do that. So next time you're in that situation, you'll know what you got to do.
Deal's no deal. Deal said, I'm out. We ain't getting caught up with y'all. GJ, oh yeah, that's right. Gold moving up now here. 15-minute close bullish. 820 gave it a ride up. So let's see what goes down now. Right, either way, if we get a resistance here, then now we can continue down. But I think I think we can see a little bit of a pullback, right? Because look at the time, right? It's 8:45. The 4-hour may want to pull back, so you may get a pump up here, right? And then the new 4-hour needs a top wick, right? So you may continue to see a push up here on gold, right? And then a resistance formed to come back down. So that's what we've been waiting on, right? So we'll continue waiting on that. And once it comes, we'll be there. Four-hour pack runner. Oh yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice. No, they didn't, TK. They didn't want it. Yo, last 2 days too, we really didn't get much. We had pretty clean movement, but not the greatest price action either. We're creeping, man. We're creeping on the last couple days of the month here too, so that could be an issue.
Yo, this month went by quick.
Quick.
That is true.
This might have been the quickest month of the year. I don't know.
I'm not gonna lie, the spring flew, bro.
Facts.
The spring's gone.
It's gone, bro.
That thing's gone.
Got out of here.
Oh yeah, I remember being on Zoom with you boys like earlier this year. Shit just flew.
I just like I can't believe that it's like, bro, at one point you were sitting in a classroom, bro.
Johnny Gems was in the classroom.
Right.
Dude's teachers
Dude,
really asked him,
seriously.
you need a license for that?
Kids in the back were on Zoom.
Dude, fine.
Kids like sitting in the back of me.
Yes, summer went
months?
fast too.
Yeah, it was funny.
What months was that? Was that like May?
April, May.
That was like
March too.
February through June. Yeah.
I want to try and find
Crazy.
you in class.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That was
facts.
before.
Yeah,
That was
go to
before
one in,
the
like
video is Johnny Gems, bro.
word. Go to like maybe like May or April. One of those.
Sam back at his old crib. Mans was in school. That was funny.
Whack.
Who was here when John was in school?
Y'all
I
remember
gotta
that?
be at the desk. Hey, yo, Nikolovsky. Is Nikolovsky in the building? I
Yeah.
know he was here. I see a
Nikolovsky.
comment from him. He'll pop out of nowhere and be like, yeah, man, I'm always here. Yeah, GJ's chopping around here, man. Chopping.
Got
Nasty.
gold low-key too.
Nasty. Where's Uncle Scalpin? Oh, I talked to Uncle Scalp this weekend. He said he was, or last weekend, he said he's been busy with work. Said he's been mad busy.
Boy, busy.
That boy working. Why don't I trade Euro USD? Too slow for me. I used to trade it back when I first started. All right. So 4 hour here is going to come to a close. We got the last 15 of the 4 hour. We should move up here, right? We should push up and give a nice pullback. And then, yeah, hey, if we can get a 4 hour pack runner, that'd be awesome, right? Maybe candle close somewhere around here. Top wick come up, drive down. Tell Scout forget work. I told him, man. I told him.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's doing good though. I'm here since I left kindergarten. Since Nick left kindergarten? Whoa.
Imagine.
I'm not Maverick. I'm not fortunate enough to be Maverick. Deeper. Oh, you want to see a pack runner like a packy like this? Is that what you want to see? Oh my goodness. Price drove and broke the screen. Can you get a 1 hour wick fill on gold? Yes. Potentially, yep. Yeah, so 15-minute candle closed, right? So you should see a push up now for this 4 hour candle to pull back. The more we pull back, honestly, the better. That way we can get a pretty nice top wick, right? And then have some solid stop losses. Right through the basement. Why don't you guys trade UJ? No reason. Nothing against it or anything. Just haven't really looked at that. Haven't really looked at that pair in like 2 years. Yeah, we're gonna wait for the 4 hour here. Take a look at the NASDAQ as well. Waiting on that 4 hour closure, right? Still waiting on that 4 hour close. Price really hasn't done much.
Look at the
right?
daily though.
Really hasn't done much. No, well that's what I was saying during the breakdown is that if this 4 hour close is bearish, right, then we can anticipate this wick fill plus the move down, right? And then what we're anticipating is this candle kind of driving down. So it looks pretty clean as of right now. Yeah.
W though. I like that.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, right? Because where can we see this daily candle go, right? Because these bullish candles right here, all they are is this top wick on the daily candle, right? All they represent is this move up. So now if we can create some sort of resistance, right, on the 4 hour time frame, then what does that say? That says that, hey, most likely This will be the high of the day, right? This will be the daily top wick, and now price can continue down, right? Now price can continue down and fill the range here, right? And potentially fill this wick as we continue driving. So let's see how that plays out, because this looks really good. The honey bun market. We're gonna get into. We're sample sizing that one. Hero of the day. You're a hero, man. You are the hero of the day.
So true.
Picking the little one up. Nice, nice. What time is it for you? Must be afternoon. Going to Starbucks. Yeah, grab me. Starbucks got the funniest names.
What's that one you get, bro?
Starbucks be quick.
What was that one drink you were messing with?
I like the strawberry acai. That's pretty good.
Alright.
That shit sounds crazy. Oh, what? Strawberry what?
Like
Strawberry acai, I think it's called.
I think Sam, you would probably like it.
Probably. It sounds crazy. Sounds
like
like something right
strawberry.
up my alley, bro. It's like,
Yeah.
I like that word.
Alright.
It's pretty
Acai.
good.
It's like you like acai balls?
Oh, that's how you say it? Acai? I thought it was a kai.
Let me get an acai bowl. Hey, yo, let me get an acai bowl.
Acai? Bro, that's a
Kai
crazy.
bowl.
I'm sitting here thinking that word's like 14 letters long. That's your funny, bro.
Yeah.
I never knew how that's. Hey, learn something new every day.
Yeah, there's a Starbucks by you, right, Sam?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah,
I never go there, bro.
Same, bro. Same.
Superfood. Ooh, yeah.
They do got good cake pops.
I've never had
Slap.
them.
Word.
Gold moving. Moving
They look-
down here.
Like decent though.
Yeah. Definitely.
What is
They
it?
are.
Just cake on a stick?
Yeah. Yep. With like, I guess frosting, like frozen frosting is the outline, I guess. It's good.
Never had it. I did have a Ben and Jerry's this weekend though. You guys ever had Ben and Jerry's ice cream?
Yeah, Chunky Monkey. It goes crazy.
Nah,
bro.
I had the
You like that one?
Americone.
Americone. I got it. What one is that? What does that have in it?
That one's got like, what is it? Like weight? Like, know,
Americone it has pretty much like waffle cones with caramel and like
Oh,
Kit
yeah,
Kat.
that sounds fire.
stop playing.
Yeah.
I like Chunky
That's
Monkey.
gas.
It's literally banana flavor ice cream with like huge chocolate chips and I forget what the nuts are in it.
Where,
Damn.
Oh,
is there any like fudge in it or something or no?
yeah, I think. Let me look at what it's all in it.
Yeah.
Americone.
I like the milk and cookies one is gas, and then I like the cookie dough personally.
That's the one I got right here.
Oh yeah,
Fuego.
it's crazy.
Bro,
Facts, it
waffle.
is
You
pretty
see the
fuego.
waffle cones in there?
Yeah.
Fire.
Yeah, that was probably.
Holy.
crazy.
Holy. Yo.
Yeah, it's
And
ready
only
for your pickup.
$4.99. Target.
Should I order for it'll be ready within 2 hours. Holy. Ice cream
Only
for
7 left.
breakfast.
You better get them quick.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, it's walnuts in the Chunky Monkey. Banana ice cream, fudge chunks, walnuts.
Chunky monkey.
There's a song I like it too. It's like I'm not ice cream man. She Chunky Monkey.
Is your glasses Blu-ray proof? Yeah, they are. These are blue light glasses. So I don't wear glasses. Like I don't actually wear glasses. Cake pop, my son loves those. Oh, yeah. I like milk and cookies too. That one's fire.
Ooh, for the Ben and Jerry's.
Yeah.
I don't know if I've ever seen that, bro. That sounds crazy.
Oh, what is that one again? That one's like vanilla with like cookie dough in it and some like another type of cookie too.
This one goes crazy. This one goes crazy right here. This one's got vanilla ice cream with chocolate chip cookie swirl, chocolate chip and chocolate cookie. Oh, chocolate, yeah, cookie?
Yeah,
chip cookies. Yeah, it's got like cookies in it.
Yeah.
Gas.
Pretty much cookie dough.
Look at the markup on that, bro. Publix.
Holy, Publix, yeah.
I know. Damn, yo, Publix be expensive.
Oh, nah, stop
I'm going
playing.
to Publix, y'all.
You see that cookie right there?
Yeah,
fire.
I'm about to go get some.
That's pretty much having milk and literally.
All right, no more.
All right.
No more Ben and Jerry's
Warning,
till late October.
Warning, you eat those every day, you might die.
Warning. Warning.
Probably. Bro.
Warning. Do not consume those every day.
Use it as a treat, use it as a reward.
Choo choo. Never had that one. Okay, 3 minutes, and we got a closure here, ladies and gentlemen. Not gonna lie, I will get that ice cream. 4-hour close coming up. Yeah, GJ, unless we close above these levels on the 4-hour, then I don't see price continuing up. We may start to create a resistance now. We gotta break the chop. Yeah, let's go to the gym.
Let's go golfing.
Ice cream's too good to eat every day. We're doing great, Wick the Kid. Doing great. How are you?
Wick the Kid.
Hey, but screw the ice cream. Let's talk about like personal development, eh? How's everyone doing on the spiritual, mental, physical, and financial side of their personal development? And those 4 areas right there, those are key areas to work on for your personal development. Those are key areas to grow and get better and improve. I'll repeat them: spiritually, physically, mentally, and financially. You want to be very strong. You want to improve those areas every day. Those are the areas I focus on when it comes to personal development.
Mm-hmm.
And just like trading, we're looking for the W. We're looking to get 1% better every day. By just in trading, the W that we're looking for is to follow our plan every day, right? We talk about it every day. Follow our plan and be patient, disciplined. If we could do that, we'll get 1% better today as a trader. If we can work on those personal development areas every day, we can get 1% better in those areas too. Right? It works the same way.
Yes, sir. It's a lifestyle.
Yep. Lifestyle.
Got to make it a lifestyle, right? Right? You guys wrote your mantra out, right? On who you want to be in 3-4 years. Right? We need to start doing. Don't forget about that now. Right? Some of you guys wrote it up, but I don't want you guys to forget. Right? The work is done every day. Even when you're traveling, when you're on vacation, all that stuff.
At least that's good to add, you know.
Yeah, relationships. Yeah, the key to relationships, gang, is communication. Right? Very few are able to communicate properly. And when I mean communicate, I mean connect, right? I mean, you guys are on the same page, right? That's how you really establish a relationship, right? Spending time, being able to communicate properly, right? A lot of people run from communication these days. Very scary.
Hey, before you marry anyone, it's smart to have a conversation with them on how you guys want your life to play out. What's your views on certain things, right? Just set the life.
Yep. All right. So we did get a closure on the 4-hour time frame. We did close below this 4-hour support right here. So pretty clean now. Pretty clean, right? Pretty clean to come on down. We got a wick to fill here. There's a couple of supports right here, and then you can touch down, right? Where have these wicks come to? They've all touched down right around 1885. That's going to be the target, right? So let's see. We need a top wick here, and a nice closure on the 15. All right, 15 closes below. We'll be in there at 9:15. We got our little pump back up. Possibly a retracement here. I really, really do want to see a top wick on this 4-hour candle. But if not, we take it off the breakout here. Yeah, that's true. Got to trade. Very, very true.
Got to trade. What's up?
Communication that alone made my marriage better. Yep.
Facts. That's facts. Gotta trade.
What up, gotta trade?
Got a trade in the building. Got a trade. My man. That's my man right there. Got a trade.
Yeah, watch him.
Facts. Pull this guy, man.
He gets it. He gets it.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Bradley. What's up? How are you doing? I'm doing good.
Bradley's in the house. What up, Bradley?
Yeah, Bradley, same here. Tunnel vision. Focus. One plan. Hey, Laurent, good morning. What's up?
Laurent's in the house. What up, Laurent? Morning, bro. All right. Top G Tate's in the house. What up, Top G Tate? Where's Mike?
Top G.
Where's Mike? No Mike today?
Yo, I was thinking about Peanut. Where Peanut at?
Yo,
I was thinking about Peanut earlier.
that dude been gone since that one trade, man.
Yeah, ever since that trade, bro, he gone.
Unless he's just here, silently lurking in the
Creeping.
woods. We got a few silently in the grass. What do I think about institutional
Sound
trading? It's fantastic.
It's everything.
It's everything. It's everything and more. Yes, sir. Wick the Kid. Yes, sir.
Kid.
We running, baby. We running. Yeah, exactly. Same thing every day. So many
Literally.
people want to complicate it and try new things and do different things. It's like, bro, just keep doing what made you profitable. Simple. Enjoy the process. Shiro. Hey, if you guys haven't given the stream a like, give the stream a like today. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. It's good to be back here after a couple day vacay. We're almost at 19K, right? Creeping on 20,000 subs here. So we could do it. We could do it. Is it really possible to turn 1,000 to more than 10,000 over time? Yes. Yep.
Sure.
Hey, missed you guys.
Anything's possible.
Anything. Is it possible to take 10,000 to zero? That is possible too.
Yep.
Can I pass my 100K challenge in 2 months? Of course. Absolutely.
Yeah, you could pass today.
Literally.
All depends on the charts, man. All depends on the charts.
So is this going to be our 4-hour wick on gold? Let's see how the candle closes here on the 15-minute. Full margin. Then try and try again. Is the 15 a valid play? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I want to see the 15. If it can close below support here, then we can be in this for 9:15 and 9:30 and possibly 9:45 here, if price wants to come down off of this resistance. Stops aren't too bad too, you know, keeping them above the highs up here. As a man thinketh, so is he. Yes. If you think you can, you're right. If you think you can't, you're right.
Literally. Now you gotta simplify that in your life. Those words.
0.7. Yeah, absolutely.
Are you joking?
Do you guys take any positions Monday and Tuesday? Did you, John? No, right?
Nah, I didn't. There wasn't anything for me.
How many pips did you guys win or lose on Monday and Tuesday? Nothing. Oh, Z Gamer knows what's up. Took 20 pips. Nice. Monday 10. Nice. Tuesday nothing. Dope. The market chilled out for us, right? Yeah, I was going to be back on Monday, but my wife wanted to stay an extra 2 days, and I felt good about it too, so we're like, yeah, we'll stay a couple more days.
Yeah, 3 days could be quick.
Yeah.
Very quick.
There was still more restaurants to go to.
Now Florida's about to be nice.
Yes, sir. Now we got to get Sammy the Bull down to Florida, eh?
Damn, when you coming?
He's coming. He's coming.
Damn,
He
maybe
doesn't have
2024.
his headset on.
Yeah, we'll have to
I
wait.
want Pringles now. What'd the fan think about the new baby coming? I had already told John and Joe, and yeah, I had already told my mom too. So it was kind of like our extended family that we told. But yeah, they were pumped up. I have a bunch of cousins, and we're all around the same age. We all grew up together, and now we all have kids right around the same age too. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, one of my cousins here in Florida, she got 2 kids, and then the other one's back in New York. Shiro big 70 pip, eh? Where am I from? I grew up in New York.
Shiro, you have 70 pips, bro. Good stuff.
FB in the house. What up, FB? Yeah, me and my wife have known for a while. She found out early. At this point, my wife knows exactly when she's pregnant.
Hey, yo, that's 3 in 3 years.
3 and 3. 3 and 3
What's
years,
up?
gang.
That's what I like to hear.
We got motion.
Got motion, flow state.
Flow state.
We got big motion.
Next year he does 4 for 4.
We going 4 for 4?
He goes Wendy's.
Yo, yeah, Dave, I could see you having like 10 plus.
We're
kids,
getting
bro.
that Wendy's special 4 for 4.
Make families with 10 kids great again, right?
We gotta keep the even numbers, no? Even always just works better.
True.
Facts. Not facts, it does. Keep it even. Best sport game.
I saw the throwback pic. You and your wife go way back? Oh yeah, way back, man. Way back. Way back. Which throwback pic was that? I didn't even see that one. He wants a rugby team. Hey, yeah, we're setting up the squad, man. Oh, thanks, Desiree. Big W, yep. Yep. You're in phase 2, make babies. Yeah. Exactly.
Have fun. You're live.
All right. 15-minute candle closed on gold. Did close bearish. Closed. You got about a 10 pip wick fill here. 13 pips. I think it's best that we wait for the 30-minute closure here. Yeah, because right now, look, 4 hours bearish, 1 hour is bearish, 30 minutes bullish, 15's bearish, right? That 30-minute right there is in our way. Right? It's messing with us. We don't know if this wants to pull back here to come down, or if we're gonna drive down and break these lows. So we need that 30 to close. We need a closure. If this closes bear, we're in there. GJ on fire. Fire, fire. All right, cool. So if we can get fake outs anywhere in here, this will be great for our pound yen. All right, this is the original area that we wanted to see fake outs for price to continue down. So let's see how it goes. If not, I'll take my buys above here on the 1 hour. He was definitely on downstream. Oh yeah, I was on downstream for like 2 years. Yeah, I stopped going on the stream when I started the stream. Yeah, I enjoyed that 2 years too, man. I learned a lot. A whole lot.
Same. Those 2 years were a vibe.
$50 pip bleeder. Not much happening. Yeah, just this initial push down, and that's it. We might come up here now and come back down. No, I mean, the way you see me trade, that was the way I learned. So everything I show you guys was the way I learned. And yeah, that's the way I stick to. That's been the most profitable for me and most enjoyable for me too, right? I like simple. I like keeping things simple. So this is a nice simple playbook and system that I use, and it works for me. And yeah, good confirmations too off the 30 minutes. So I love those. Yeah, if we can get an onion breakout here at 9:30, that would be awesome. So what I mean by that is resistance formed, right? Which is basically resistance plus a closure below here, breakout, and then we take it on plus volume, right? We'll take it looking like that. When you see your work pay slip. Yeah, yo, I was looking at my work pay slip like a month ago, and every 2 weeks, bro, every 2 weeks I was making like what I could make in a trade, or what I used to make in a trade. Now I could basically, in one trade, I can You know, once I get everything past here, I can literally make a month's salary in one trade.
Yeah.
Doop, doop. What up, J Finesse? J Finesse. GJ pumping. 4-hour ripping here, man. Let's take a look at gold. Gold stuck. We got 9 minutes for a 30-minute closure here.
Yeah, it would have been nice. Pull back from Goldie.
Barcode forming? Yeah, exactly. Here it comes. Yeah, I think we get a closure below is gonna be our best bet here, and that'll all line up, right? Volume 930, NYSE open, onion play, right? Resistance formed, breakout. That all lines up pretty well, right? And then the only time frame we're waiting to be bearish is this 30-minute time frame here, so that'll confirm you know, bearish moves on all time frames, along with our playbook setup, along with the daily bias, along with volume. Right? Simple, simple. Doop, 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 doop. And GJ, look at this. Okay. Okay. What do I think of FTMO? I used to work with FTMO. They're good. They're probably the best. Still plenty of motion left. Yeah. Yeah, GJ's looking good, right? We want to see these fake outs right in this area here. All right. Right here. All right. Potential fake outs for sells. So if we can get a closure back below, you'll most likely see the support being retested and then possibly a move down. I think a lot of people didn't. I think a lot of people moved away from FTMO just simply because of the price and profit target. Other than that, they're the best in the game. Right? MFF just kind of took the reins of that because they were doing more sales, pretty much, right? But FTMO's the, you know, the top dog. GJ slippage coming soon. Don't remind me. Yeah, gold's probably going to be the play here at 9:30. We got 6 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back.
Yeah, FTMO's OG. Evan, I'm not sure on funded next. I never tried them. I know the CEO's he tweets a lot. That's what I know, but I don't know if they're trusted. You should look at their website, see if they have any reviews or anything like that.
Yeah, FTMO, they held their ground, man. They never changed their payout structure. They never changed their pricing. They just held their ground as the OGs.
Word.
And you know, people want to pay less. They want to make more, right? So it's obvious that people ran to other companies. Like even I did, right? Yeah, 930 is going to be the play here. So let's see if I like this candle pumping right now. If we can now pull back, leave a wick to fill, then that's going to be our meal ticket here today. FTMOG. Yeah. Trading book, that's good. The Forex mindset. That's not good. That's great. That's a great trading book.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah, Billy, Forex mindset. Fire.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, there's a small support. I did see that one. That's gonna be blown by, I think, with volume here today. So yeah, I think we should at least tap into this support and then possibly go lower. So I'm willing to take that trade, and in the idea that volume should push through that. But yeah, good either. Yes, sir, Captain. My niece and I love watching. Hey, send the pic in the Discord. Oh yeah, full send it. $40 lots or 30? I'm gonna be using 30 lots here. 30 lots on gold. Yeah, we got like a 20, almost a 30 pip stop here, so. Entered on the 15. Nice idea. Yeah, good idea. So we got 1 minute here. Not expecting the steepest top wick either.
using previous candle stops?
I am, yep. All right, let's see if we can come up and make a high here. Yeah, I'm going to enter on the previous candle low. Right there. So sell stops on the break of the lows here. Yeah, sell stops, break of the lows, and and yeah, that'll be the trade. I'm looking to pretty much clean this whole range here. So probably look to go break even right around 1886. That'll be about 20 pips. Yeah, that's where the daily wants to head to, I believe. Let's do this. Break even. Or partials. Yeah, I'll close partials right there. Yeah, and that's going to be the trade. So we should come down here as we break these lows, and you should see a pretty nice push. All right, there it is. So I've been activated, chat. So got into some sells here on the break of the lows. We have a 30-minute breakout, also a 30-minute onion play. Stops are going to be kept above the previous highs, and then TP is going to be down over here in these wicks, right? If we scroll to the left, you'll see the wicks down here, and that's where I'm going to look to take profit. Yeah, in the case of a losing trade, then what'll happen is if we close, or in a losing situation, if we close back above, right, like this, close back above, candle closes like this, back above, then I'll look to manage my position right there. Other than that, we look pretty clean to come on down, and these are going to be the way we're going to manage this position here. Yeah, if you don't want to use the previous candle stops, you could always use the current candle stops. But everything is looking pretty good, right? Daily's very bearish. 4 hour is also very bearish. 1 hour as well. 30-minute just broke the lows. 15-minute as well. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, we got a nice range to fill here as well. If we look left, let's go to 30-minute. Got a pretty decent range here, right? Let me fix. Let me fix something here for you guys. Can you guys see that now? No, not yet. Hold up. How about now? Not yet? There you go. Alright, cool. Perfect. Good? Yo. Yo. Were you oversold? Well, the one thing that doesn't make it oversold, in my opinion, is this resistance here. Right, we created that resistance now. We got the breakout. This is a position taken off that resistance on the break of the lows there. So, you know, probability says that this should drive down, right, with volume in the house. So if it doesn't, it goes against probability. We'll manage it. But yeah, probability says clean setup.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Lemon. Lemon. Lemon? Is it lemon or lemon? Lemon. How much am I risking? I'm risking like 2.3%. How long do I try and hold a position for? I want to see if we can pull about 18, 20 pips out of this position here and then get a runner. Yeah. Yep. I have the pip counter up there.
Patient.
Yeah, I have the pip counter up there, but in order for you guys to see my MT5 down here in the bottom, I've got to have my screen open full size, and it cuts out the numbers there of price and the pip counter. But I can see it on my end. Yeah, 1886. 1887, yep. Let me go. What's my stops again? They're right here. Later. Yeah, I smell it, boys. I smell it.
Smelling it.
I smell it
I
too.
smell it as well.
She's just setting up to go crazy. It was just pausing and loading up the orders.
Yeah. Let's go, bleed. Yeah, it should bleed. Yeah, looking left, we cleared that support. We are coming into this area down here as well, so I'm gonna stick to the plan here. I thought Monday was supposed to be a bank holiday, but I guess that was something different. I think it was a Jewish holiday or something. Chat's bleeding. Bleeding.
Later. Get that tourniquet out.
Later. Smell it.
All right, I am closing partials right there, chat. So I'm going to close partials. Partial TP has been tapped. And now we make our way down.
I like that.
W.
Float.
Stops have been moved to break even. And that's the trade. Got about 12 pips. Tapped our partials. Stops are at BE. And that will be the trade. Now, if we can come down, that'd be great. Right? What do we have there? Well, let's talk about it, right? We had a beautiful 930 breakout. We had price pushing down. Created us a resistance right here. And then we got a breakout. So we mixed an onion along with the breakout, along with volume, right? Key word here, gang, is volume. Anytime price has volume in the market, and you have that breakout and that resistance form, you can bet that the playbook setup will work out, right? So right there, we tapped into we're about 20 pips up, and now let's see if we can keep running. W. Good trade.
W.
Another one. Simple, right?
Yeah,
Simple stuff. And now we're moving. And what time is it? So we're going to let this 15-minute candle close, and then we're going to see where we're at that point. But closed 80% of my position right there, and now let's see if we get the rest to drive. Let me get rid of this. There we go.
I really like seeing gold staying below these 1900s too.
Ooh.
Keep bleeding below here. Because it's like where we've been stuck at, like on the daily and higher time frame, is just like above there.
Yeah.
So the move should be bleeders. Oh, especially like tomorrow might even be better.
930 bleeder. They don't get much better than that.
True. Typical 930.
Typical 930 bleeder. Yeah, you could add your stops up here too, gang. Right? You could add your stops 11 pips. I just wanted to keep them up there just so we can manage that, in a losing situation. But yeah, man, money position there, gang. Good job. Congratulations, everyone that took that trade. Textbook playbook position.
Absolutely.
W's in the chat.
First day back.
Hey, first day back. We'll take it. We will take it. Hey, I recovered my 0.7 loss. There you go. Oversold. Oversold. Lovely. 26 pips here, chat. 26 pips. Moving on down. Gonna move this target here and just keep it down here. Still got a ways to go. Let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour time frame and see what's going on. Yeah, nice. Remember we talked about coming down into this wick area here? That'll do it, right? That was the move we wanted, right? Price doesn't have to stay down here, right? It's just got to come wick down here. And that's what we're seeing happening now. Daily's on a tear, right? Daily's coming down to fill these wicks here as well. Beautiful. Stops are at BE. And yeah, that's it. Let it run. Can you explain why you didn't move stops to be at the 88? Let's take a look. AJ, let's take a look. 88. Oh, was that support? Yeah, that was going to be too close to entry. I didn't want to move stops to break even there. 88. Yeah, this zone here. Yeah, again, we had volume, right? So volume will typically blast through this, right? Volume's going to want to come down and retest those lows. So typically you'll see volume push past that. So that's why I didn't want to move stops to break even too fast there and end up getting, you know, tapped out at break even. So 15-minute candle did close here, and it closed with no bottom wick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close another half of my position right here at 23 pips. And that'll be it. The rest of it, move stops into profit a little bit, and that's it. Let the rest run.
That was the move.
That was the move.
Yeah, W's to everyone who was patient though. And I know it's been bleeding since we pulled up to the charts, but waited for our setup. Boom. That's all she wrote.
Patience, man. Patience.
Yeah, pace, yeah.
All right, I see my buddy Austin post something today. It said, where is it? Is that on Twitter? I don't know. Right, the best traders know their favorite setup. They have the discipline to wait for those setups only. They never let one mistake turn into two. I love that. I love that. Okay. So let's do a trade recap here. Taking a look at gold, right? What did we see here? We looked at price. Price was bleeding, right? All you seen was this massive push down on the 4 hour. Daily was looking to really drive down and tap into this wick rejection zone, right? If we look at the 4 hour, we had a very nice close, very strong closure. 1 hour as well, and then all we needed to do was wait for that 30-minute time frame, right? We needed to see a resistance formed on that 30-minute time frame. So once we got that resistance, that was our call, right? We waited. We didn't jump on price out as it was moving down without our playbook set up. We waited for that resistance to form. We found our breakout and our resistance, right? They came in one shot. And here's the icing on the cake, 930 volume, right? So with all those three combined, it sets us up for a perfect position, right? You had the candle close, you had clean range coming down until 1884, and that was your push, right? Entry was on the break of the lows. Stops were kept up again above the previous highs for trade management situations. Closed 80% where we said we would, and now the rest is just running. So that's the trade recap, and that's the reason why we took that trade. And we were patient. We waited for it to come to us. We didn't try and force that move. We waited, and then we got paid. And that's it. And now we should tap into that 1884, and that'll be the trade, and that'll be done. Right? We get into that daily wick zone there, and that's our move. So, W.
W.
That was enough to get the job done here for us today.
W.
So pushing about 32, 34 pips here. I've been trading 4 years, still not profitable, but I'm getting close now. Yep, that's awesome. Continue to show up here day in and day out, and you'll see quite the improvement, my friend. I'm very, very confident in that. All right, so we're tapping into that zone, chat. I am going to do something here, and I'm going to close my full position here at 35 pips. Done. I'm outie. That was my move here today. That was my move.
W, sir.
Yes, sir. I was pushing it to your TP. How long can I learn this? It takes time, man. Everyone's gonna be a little different, right? How bad do you want it? How bad do you want to succeed in this, right? That'll determine the level of effort and work that you put in. How did I end up with that support line? If we look left, we'll notice that this is the wicks, right? Everything came in and wicked in here. So that's kind of your support on the 30, but I was looking to target these daily wicks right here. Right here. See how we're breaking through them now? Right? This daily candle's a monster. So daily candle tapping into these wicks, that was my move, right? If this thing now drives 150 more pips, which it certainly can, right? Clean traffic. Once you break through these wicks, you really don't have much. But it can do that. That's totally fine. I took what I came here to get, and that's it. How about you boys? You close full or you still holding?
Oh yeah, I'm out.
Yes, sir. Fully
Out.
out.
Good work.
I couldn't let him hang like you, bro. I got out a little sooner.
Nice, nice. Yeah, you guys are gonna see me hold on to positions a little bit longer here, especially if you got clean ranges and volume coming in. We're gonna really start to get the most out of these positions here.
Yeah, let me see when I.
Shout out to Jerome. Z Gamer. So yeah, so pretty good move today. That was able to do the job for me. I think I made what, $3,700 here today. So not too bad, right? Not too bad on a Wednesday, first day back on the live streams. And we'll look to continue the momentum here as we move through the week. But solid position there. Signals channel, y'all good? Everything came in lovely, right? Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, also, I was willing to risk that high up there because you guys remember I lowered my lot too, right? I put a 30 lot. Signal bots Liddy. Hey. Praise God. Toby, when you're happy, I'm happy, man. Seriously. If Toby loves it, that made my day. Congrats on the trade. Thanks, Jerome. Appreciate you. Thanks for the call. Jerome versus Nick. I don't have notifications on the Signal room. Oh, okay. Go into the Signals chat, and somebody's gonna point you in the right direction there. Yeah, there's some things. If you go to the please read section, please read that. Yeah. Yeah, please read the please read section. And then it'll take 2 seconds. Great discipline. Thank you. How do you increase your patience? You just wait for the best setups, man. That's it. You fall in love with 2 or 3 setups and you just don't touch anything outside of them. Just keep it simple, man. Keep it simple. You're a bad man, thank you. Did Sam and John take the trade? Yeah, you guys closed full, right? You said?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought I honestly left it running, bro. I didn't.
Yeah, I closed full right here at 84.
I closed full at 12.
12.
W. Yeah, I ain't mad though.
Nah. Hey, 10 pips a day keeps the JOB away.
Yeah, exactly. I'm chilling.
Really?
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
I must have not hit the. Cause like how I close partials is I'll double click the trade while it's open,
Yeah.
and then yeah. But I must have not. Whoops. Oopsie daisy.
All goody. Another one coming.
All good.
Yeah, nah, exactly. I ain't tripping.
Hey, still holding? Still holding. Yeah, this is
Let's
my
see.
TP zone here.
Yeah. If it keeps bleeding, that's crazy. See if it closes below, but
Yeah. Yeah, nice closure below on the daily today would be pretty cool. All right, nice closure below, and then we can come down towards like 1865 here tomorrow. Fill that range. How long will this stream exist? Oh, this stream will exist for very long. Very, very long. We are just getting started. Trust me on that. Can I update the score sheet? Yeah. Yeah, let's mark it up.
W though. Hey, I gotta head out. I gotta do some things.
All right,
take
dude.
care of some business.
Enjoy
W,
it.
though.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful first
Have a
day
good
back.
day, Sam.
Felt so great to sit down with the
Chillin'.
boys again in the chat.
Facts.
and everybody.
Chilling.
Chilling.
Facts.
All right, brother. Yeah,
Alrighty.
dude. Do your thing, and
Yeah.
we'll
Have a good
we'll
day,
see you
Sam.
tomorrow. Yeah, hit me up a little bit later.
Yeah, I will. For sure, both of you.
All right,
Yeah,
brother.
take it easy.
Sounds
Bet.
good, Sam. We'll
Peace,
see you
bro.
later. He's gone. Dun, dun, dun. Good work, Johnny boy.
Sir, good
Beautiful.
stuff.
Told you goal was gonna slap there.
Just come back and do the same thing tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, man. We haven't really had let's mark this up. See when our last 930 position was. Oh, okay. Oh no, this is June. Yeah, that was our first 930 position all month. $27, right? 23. Right. Ooh, onion or breakout? Damn. Onion or breakout? We're gonna go with an onion because that was the main reason we took that trade, right? Because we had that resistance form, so we'll go with the onion play. That was break of previous lows, 30-minute full, and we're gonna do 12, and then hold on, let me check this. 14 and close full at 36. So yeah, 14 and 36 there. Oh. W. Good work. Good work, gang. Good work.
Oh,
It was an onion and a breakout. Yeah, it was an onion and a breakout. I want to put onion because that was the main reason, right? Because we wouldn't have just taken this off a breakout. Sorry guys, we wouldn't have done it, right? At that point, if we didn't have this resistance formed, man, that would have been so tough, right? Because you're overextended at that point, right? 1 hour would have been so overextended, but we did get that resistance, right? So that gave us the onion, right? Let's just call it what it is, right? It's a resistance, right? And then it also gave us the breakout. So we got a little bit of both. But I'll tell you what, I wouldn't have taken this off the breakout alone, and that's why I'm going to put the onion there. Oh, look, that would have stopped us out at BE right there. Yeah, look where we tapped into. See where we tapped into? Right into that area. So, lovely trade. Lot size too small. Yeah, I had 30 lots open on that one.
W.
Yep.
Nick, I'm about to head off here.
All right, brother.
Well, I'll catch
Enjoy
you.
it.
Great trade, W. Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir. Glad to have you. Sounds
Sir,
good, bro.
thank you, chat. Sir, chat. I'll see you later. Have a good day. And I'm out of here. Peace.
Peace, brother.
Peace.
We do a little Asian tonight? Not tonight. Not tonight. Not tonight. Not tonight. Soon, soon, soon. Can't wait for Scott's explanation. Yeah, Scott's going to break this down. It's going down in the explanation. I always ensure that I like your live on my phone and the computer. Man, you're a real one. You a real one. Let's see. Can't believe why people leave instead of focusing on playbook. Yeah, me neither. Big folk red. Yeah, actually I do understand. It's like it's very common in traders. But it doesn't. Yeah, it's a pretty common thing. But I don't understand it either. I have 5 lots open. Nice. Very good. Very good. Johnny Gems over and out. What time is it? 10? Maybe Asian in the signals channel. Oh yeah, I'll be trading Asian. So moving forward, now that we're creeping into October, I'll be back to trading Asian, and I'll probably be up some nights for London. Some nights, not every night, but yeah, you'll see me a little bit more active in Asian session. I know, right? Hit your BE and went down. Happens. Yeah, what you can also do, gang, is like, so one thing I used to like doing was just trailing my stops, right? So, you know, if the stop loss was here, once this candle here closes, right, then what I'll do is I'll just trail my stop to that high, right? Because you know that this candle will most likely need to come up, right, to create a top wick there. So therefore you kind of put yourself at risk for hitting BE. Now for me, I don't care. I'll risk that, but yeah. And then like, so once this candle closes, I'll move my stop at BE now, right? So because now if you break that high, you're probably gonna go up. But if you respect it, then maybe you can continue down. How to join premium membership? If you can find it, you can find it. Next thing, oh, got you, Evan. Could we be in another cell for the wick fill? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, stops above the candle here. Previous candle stops, right? And then you got to see if it's worth it though, right? Because prices tapped into this level here now. So we don't know if we're going to fill that wick or not. because the 15 also closed pretty strong bearish. So if you get a 15 closing, I'm sorry, pretty strong bullish after that no bottom wick. So yeah, if you get a closure on the 15, it looks pretty good. All right, do we have to, yeah, my bad, we didn't add this, right? Let's do it. $92. Oh, 65 wins. What's my view on swing trade a buy? I really don't have no reasons to take a buy here. Yeah, outside of price just moving down, but we could say that anywhere, right? We could say, hey, price has been moving down, let's take a buy here or a buy here. I think you need a little bit more confirmation for your buys. But yeah, I mean, hey, price is pushed down. This could be the bottom, right? That was my target. That's what I'm expecting. So I don't know if price will continue driving. We may start to pull back. But one thing I see here is that the candle may want to close below here, right? So I don't know how far it's going to pull back, but it should pull back a little bit, and then the next one should pull back, right? So yeah, if it's part of your sample size data and you've seen that work, then I think you should follow that plan. $92 wins, yup. 92 wins this year. Oh, more money, more problems. Hey. Good stuff, good stuff. Time to lock it in. Yeah, there you go. Yep. So yeah, chat, that's gonna be the day here for me. Quick trade, right? We were patient, waited for it, fell right into our lap like pretty much every trade we take. And that's it, right? That was my target, 1884, 1885, and I'm done here for the day. So that's going to be the stream. It was a good one back. Good to see you all again. Good to get a W back on the board and to be back to work here at the desk. So we will continue tomorrow, my friends. We continue tomorrow. So we'll come back tomorrow. We'll be disciplined. We'll look for the next best setup. And yeah, take it day by day. So good stuff today, everyone. Congratulations to everyone that took that trade. And let it rock now, right? Don't try and get some more money. Just take the money you got, walk away with it, and come back for the next session. So love you guys. Hope you guys have a great one. Deuces. Deuces, deuces. We back, baby. Peace.